We back with another episode of how many times it take to get this shit to match. So we finally got it all matched up. Old head blended it. He went halfway into the hood. He went halfway into the bumper. He went halfway into the back bumper. So right now the color is all uniform. We got the clips from Dodge. These little rocker molding clips is expensive. These is $5 per clip, not per bag, per clip. So we got the rocker molding on, it's nice and flush. Got the little rocker molding on here. See the doors open and close like butter. The driver's seats, this driver's seats in. It's a little dirty, but we're gonna get a detail. The seats in. Yeah, this joint brand new. Still got the book. My man, whoever bung out, he ain't even take the plastic off this joint. This joint fresh. It only got 6,000 miles on it. You know what I mean? It's a brand new car. It's the new door panel. The new door panel that we put on. The back door, the new door panel. Don't mind the back of that seat. We got the covers. Even got the tag on it. This don't smell like a brand new car. It's the new back door panel. That joint on there, all Gucci. So right now, the stage that it's in, he just wet sanded. He pretty much wet sanded the car. If it had dirt or whatever, any imperfections on there, he's gonna get all that out with the wet sanding. So once he's finished wet sanding, he's gonna buff the car. We're gonna get it detailed. No, but before we get a detail, we want to take it over to the lift. And y'all see that red key? That's 707. That's that help. This key only give me y'all 500. The black John, but the red John 707.
7 and change.
But
807. No, it's a red eye.
It's a jailbreak.
Yeah.
It's a jailbreak. But we'll get over on the lift, make sure it's all good mechanically.
We heard the little suspension.
Yeah, suspension noise. That's it. And then we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna do a final breakdown. And that's pretty much it. Windshield is in. This is one thing, we do gotta get a new mirror because this car has blind spot monitoring. So this mirror is not compatible for the car. Although it does work, it just has a warning on the dashboard. But other than that, it's a wrap. I mean, sorry it took so long. But you know, we had to do some stuff in the shop, you know what I'm saying? We got some new people in the shop. Some people was knocking stuff out. And that's pretty much it. Let me see if the sign still come on though for the blind spot monitor. Yeah, blind spot alert.
It's on. It's definitely on.
Service airbag.
Airbag, like you gotta clear that.
Yeah, I know. So right now,
They about to put the seatbelt buckles in. We sent them out to get rebuilt, and they about to go in right now. And it's gonna be the last part of the Hellcat. After this, it's done. There's not really much left. They just gotta detail it, get it cleaned up, and then we're gonna get the price breakdown for y'all. Yeah, I'm about to set the camera up so y'all can watch them. Put the buckles back in. Enjoy the time lapse. So he finished putting his seatbelts in. He locked it down. He locked the seat down. Started the car. I don't see no airbag codes on her, airbag lights on her. I said airbag codes. Everything is clear. I think it's ready to go. Clean. No lights on the dash. No messages. Top little old. Top speed was 170 in this joint, but everything is good. No stored messages. Pretty much, and I'm testing the seatbelt out to make sure, you know what I'm saying, it worked. But pretty much, Hellcat is done.
Wallahi, the light turned on.
It's done.
Wallahi, the light turned on.
It's done.
What?
It's done, bro. It's done.
Now, please, thank you very much.
If we call for that tow truck, make sure you come.
Alright. First drop. Oh! Yo, see why the wires like this, John? Well, he starts spinning. It's on?
It's off. It's on.
Oh, it's on.
never even
Yes.
touched it.
You ain't touch it?
No.
Y'all see how dangerous the Hellcat is? Bro turned out the lot. The whole car went sideways. That's right.
What? The traction on and doing that?
Yes. On. That's the oil. Wow. Wow. Straight torque. Straight torque in the back, y'all. These Hellcats trying to put all that down.
Ain't no lights on this joint. This joint was done right. Modules replaced, seatbelts rebuilt. But you like, no, ain't nobody gonna see it.
Bro. Cuz, bro. Make sure. So we driving right now to make sure the suspension is straight. Make sure it looks straight to me. It will look straight to me, bro. Yeah, it's not pulling nothing. So I think it's good. But you gotta drive on the highway and all that. Once you drive on the highway, then you really gonna know. Oh. Got me flying out this joint. Oh, no traction. Zero traction. Nothing. And the traction is on. Like, we ain't turning traction off. It don't got no traction.
The light is kind of a little scary.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Man,
I'll turn it off. No, you gotta hold it. Well, you gotta hold it. Hold it. Oh,
It wasn't off all the way.
gotta hold it.
Shit, man.
Oh, the light's green.
This car not for me. American junk. American junk.
You don't like it?
Fuck no. The only reason why it's scary because it slide real quick. But other than that, it's on.
Just regular.
It's real.
Gonna head back to the shop, get this joint cleaned up, and then do the price breakdown for y'all. I know y'all been waiting for this.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. We finally finished our 2023 Hellcat Jailbreak wide body. Not gonna lie, the joint took a little long, but it won't happen again. So pretty much this video was gonna give you a breakdown on what it costs to rebuild this Hellcat from the time that we went at the auction until it was all complete. So we're just gonna do a little walk around and let you guys know what parts needed to be ordered, what was repaired, what wasn't replaced or was fixed, and then at the end of the video, I was gonna give you guys the grand total. So the winning auction at Copart was roughly around like 42, 43,000 after fees and everything. Copart was like 47,000 out the door. Copart beat Copart. If y'all watching, y'all be waxing. Y'all gotta chill. Like how the car costs 40 something, y'all charging 5,000 for buyer fees. Y'all got lot fee, admin fee. You wanna get your title, you gotta pay title fee. Like y'all be doing too much. But so it was 47,000 out the door. The car came from like East Bubble something. So shipping was roughly around $1,200, $1,300. So we're already like 49 in. So we're gonna start from the front to the back. Obviously the front of the car wasn't hit. All the damage was on the right side, the passenger side. So it was mostly two doors, a bunch of center post work, a bunch of frame work, and just a couple of the airbags. So just give you guys a walk around, give you a price list of what it costs for the certain parts. And then at the end, like I said, we're gonna give you guys a grand total of the car. Let me know if you guys think it was worth it or not in the comments. So this was the side it was hit on. Obviously you can't tell it was hit. As I mentioned in all my prior videos, when we do our rebuilds, we want to just make sure, you know, we're giving you guys the best quality of work that's necessary. So pretty much the car was hit in the center post. So being that it was hit in the center post from the damages, it cracked the windshield. We replaced the windshield. Windshield was like 300 installed. Shout out to Ty, the glass guy. If y'all know Ty, y'all know Ty. That's all we gotta say. If you know Ty, you know Ty. But we got the front door for 300 bucks. We got the back door with the flare, was around like 450, 500. As you guys know, the front door can come off a regular Charger, SXT, RT, it doesn't really matter. But the back door needs to come off a wide body just because it has, you know, the wide body flare. It replaced the door panel. Like, we couldn't find this door panel nowhere. So Kyle SRT had the door panels, but he was selling the whole interior with the door panels and the seats and everything. So we didn't really need that, so we just had to outsource them from the dealer. So we got the door panel, which was probably the most expensive part on the car. This front right door panel was like $1,200. We also had to get a right rear door panel. That was like another $1,000. So we spent like at least $2,200 in door panels just alone. As you can see in the prior videos, we had to replace the center post. So if you guys don't know what the center post is, it's pretty much the center of the car. So it's where this back door bolts to. So the center post, we got it from like maybe like halfway through from where the sunroof is, and then we got it from halfway from the back door, and then halfway coming through the front door. So the center post cut was from just about from right here up into the center of the sunroof, and then going to the back door, it was cut to about right here. So we did a little bit of pull on the frame machine. We cut out all the bad sheet metal, and then we welded on the new center post. In addition to the center post, when the car got hit, you know, obviously the airbags deployed, so we had to replace the right side curtain airbag, the right side chair airbag, and also both of the seat belts. We got this passenger side airbag, again from the dealership. It was like $500. So we had our airbag dude come in, he installed the airbag, he sewed the seat back up. Like, you can't even tell it was stitched up. You can't even tell that the airbag deployed. The seat belts, say we paid like $150 for the pair for both of the seat belts. The curtain airbag, we also got that used. Curtain airbag was like another $100. So we got everything installed, and we thought that the airbag light was gonna go off, but it didn't. So after scanning it with our scanner, shout out to Benny for letting us use his scanner, we found out that the buckles had to be replaced. So we sent the buckles out to like My Airbag or Fix My Airbag guy. There's some link through eBay. So he rebuilt the buckles. That was like $250. Once we threw the buckles in, we plugged everything up, and the airbag light turned off. As I mentioned to you guys before, you know, we strive to give you the best rebuild. We don't want no lights on the dashboard, no airbag light, no TPMS light. We just want to make sure the car is back to OEM specs. So whoever buys it, you know what I mean, you know, they're getting a good car. And as you can see, the doors open and close fine. There's no need to slam them, you know what I mean? Closed flush. Everything lines up perfectly. But we're gonna go through the inside, show you guys the miles, and we'll pop the hood and show you the 707. As you can see, it comes with 2 keys. You got the black key, and then we also got the red key. If you know, you know. You already know what the red key doing. But we driving with both keys right now. The sunroof. Nothing, like I said, nothing really fancy about this. The interior is nice. It's like a dark, I don't know. I want to say like cranberry, but not really. Just like a dark, real nice dark looking red. Complements the blue exterior. The inside is pretty plain Jane, if you ask me. You know what I mean? But as you can see, the miles, pretty low miles, 6,346 miles. That's pretty much it. How much time is on there?
8 minutes.
Bro, this car ain't got that many.
There's nothing really to talk about.
No, it ain't got that many features. The sunroof is still operating. Like I said, we did some little bit of body work on the quarter panel and a little bit of body work on the roof, as you can see. Well, you can't see, but as you can see from the prior videos, we got everything painted, everything matches. We're gonna do a little walk around of the car. Has a little diffuser on there. I don't know if the Jones has like an aftermarket exhaust, but the Jones definitely growl. It's a basic Dodge, yeah, there's nothing to it, no soft closing doors, nothing fancy with the infotainment system. Everything is just pretty much stock. As I mentioned prior, with all the parts and everything and the cost of the car, I think we might be in the car just a shy over $52,000. And if you ask me, I feel like that's pretty fair. If you get one of these like now to go on market, I want to say it's like $82,000. But I'm gonna scan it on my app so you guys can see, you know, what's MMR, which is like the auction wholesale price versus the retail price. And, you know, let me know if you guys think that, you know, if it was a fair deal that we got into it. All right, so as you guys know, we have Manheim, so you know we're also a used car dealer. So we just go on the app, it has a little barcode, you'll scan it. And then it'll pop up evaluation. So it's 22 and 23 Jailbreak V8 Hellcat. This is just based off of 8,000 miles, but our car only has 6,000 miles. So we're gonna adjust that. So you get another like $1,200. Our region, we're on the Northeast. You lose $30 to be in the Northeast. Our color is blue. I'm sorry, blue. gets us another $140. And the CR, I mean, this car is pretty much clean. So the CR rate, like the highest you get is like a 5.0. I mean, I guess I'll just put 5.0 just to see what it comes up as. So estimated retail value, like if you was to go to a dealership right now and cash out on the 2023 with this mileage, you're going to pay $83,000. Wholesale value at the auction is $79,000. So if you was a dealer and you was you was shopping for a Hellcat or whatever the case was, you don't want to pay no more than MMR, just depending on what it is. So we're in a car at $52,000. So initially, if you guys are not a dealer and you buying for retail, like the savings that you would have saved, 83,000 minus 52,000, we save 31,000. Like,
Even though it's rebuilt.
it's rebuilt, but I mean, would you guys rather pay the extra 31,000 to get a clean title, or would you save 31,000 to get something that's rebuilt? You know what I mean? There's a bunch of cars out here on the streets now that's rebuilt title. People don't know. You know what I mean? It's just branding. You still can get full coverage. You still can get, everything is the same as if it was clean title. The warranty is voided, but I mean, if you're saving 31,000, I mean, what's a warranty if you're saving 31 bands? It's nothing. Pretty much that's it. So, like I said, tune in. Like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friends. Just stay tuned. Just keep following the channel. We got a couple other rebuilds coming up. We got the 19 Cadillac CTSV that's coming up, and we got our 2023 M3 competition. Just show love, support. You know what I mean? Like, subscribe, comment. And this is for sale. Once we get the title back from doing the rebuild process, it is going to be posted up. So if you're interested, just hit us up in the comments. Call the shop, whatever the case is, but it is for sale.